Hello and welcome to this quick solutions review demonstration. Today we'll be looking at the advantages and walking through an installation of ExpressVPN. If you're unfamiliar with virtual private networks, please check out our What is a VPN episode of Solutions Review Explores, where we provide an enterprise-focused overview of the technology. Before we continue to the actual installation though, here's some info about ExpressVPN. As of 2019, the British-based company runs over 3,000 remote servers in almost 100 different countries, ensuring your web traffic is properly secured no matter where you browse. Now let's walk through a quick installation. You can start by clicking our affiliate link in the description below, which will bring you to a sign-up page on ExpressVPN's website. Fill out the required information and you'll instantly unlock your 30-day free trial. Within minutes, you should receive an email from support@expressvpn.com. Click the red Set up ExpressVPN button to be taken to the downloader page. Select the platform or operating system you wish to deploy the VPN on and click download. While that's downloading, copy the text in the activation code box, as you'll need it a bit later. After the transfer is finished, locate the installer on your hard drive. Usually this has been saved to the desktop or your downloads folder, and double-click on this icon to begin. After the installer loads, press continue twice and then set up ExpressVPN. When prompted, paste the activation code you saved to your clipboard earlier and press sign in. Next, select your startup preference for ExpressVPN, and that's it. You're now browsing securely. With everything configured, ExpressVPN can help you hide your IP and location, encrypt your communications, watch your favorite content, unblock censored websites, avoid spying and throttling, and lastly, find deals and fight ads. And with apps on all the major platforms and operating systems, ExpressVPN is an obvious choice for any security-conscious user or enterprise. You can sign up for your free 30-day trial by using our exclusive affiliate link in the description below. For Solutions Review, I'm Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.